and welcome to Keto Alicious. And today we're going to be talking about what is your desire? What is your desire? That is a question that maybe we don't ask ourselves as much as we should. Asking yourself when you are looking for certain end goals, possibly weight loss, searching for money, trying to be more motivated, having a better life, things that give us the ability to get to what we desire. So today I wanted to kind of do a little motivation and just give you an opportunity to kind of envision some of the steps that it takes to get there. When we are born, we don't have a thought process. We haven't built or created anything. So we are very open, we're very vulnerable, and that is our learning period from the beginning. Usually the biggest transition of our learning is around 2. And from infant to 2 is a really, really powerful time that we learn from others because we don't have, a lot of our own thoughts. We have not created things that give us desire, that give us our goals, what we're trying to do, who we're supposed to be, what we're supposed to be. So we have a clean slate. We have a clean canvas when we're first born. And from there, who our parents are, who are around us, gives us the ability to learn, hopefully grow, and to make us into the person that we become when we become adults. Having a desire to do something, for instance, possibly losing weight. If you, during that period of time when you were an infant to 2 years old and on from there, but that's really a powerful time that you're learning and absorbing a lot of different thoughts and behaviors and what you are establishing in your own walk or path of life. So when you have others around you, no matter what they teach you, it has a tendency to kind of be embedded into our conscious mind, teaching us what we have others showing and teaching us, gives us the ability to think that is the way it's supposed to be, which in some cases very much so, but that molds us into who we become. So for instance, if we have somebody in our world that is not a very happy person, that maybe doesn't have a lot of positivity, that maybe didn't have the money or the ability to in their mindset to do what they really desired, there may be some negativity that pops out, and that negativity from years of listening to that, or somebody sends different belief systems to you in a negative, positive, negative manner. As we grow up, those roadmaps we take with us. And I hear a lot of times that you can't lose weight, or I can't have money doesn't come to me, or I can't get the job that I want. A lot of I can'ts, I don't, a lot of negatives. If we just for one moment sat down and wrote down our desires that we want and how we are going to get those, and what we have to do to break some of the habits that maybe were formed by others to get what we desire, then only then is when things start to shift. A lot of it has to do with your mindset. If you pay attention, if you stop before you talk and think about what is going to come out of your mouth, then you can start to analyze where the challenges are, and you can start to write down or mentally start to say positive thoughts and positive beliefs and steps that you need to take to get to where you want your desired goal, weight loss, whatever it is in your life is very doable and very, very possible when you do the work. So today I really wanted to just throw out that you can get and have or be or do anything that you desire, as long as you understand that we have things that are embedded into our conscious mind, and repetition of doing those same things that are not working for us we'll never have a change. We'll never find that change. And until we start reprogramming our mindset and telling ourselves or listening to ourselves or starting to give ourselves the thoughts that we do want and that we do need to get to our desires or what we desire, only then will you start to see a shift in the universe, our energy that will shift to get us to where we want to be. So I'm not going to keep this super long today. I just wanted to throw out a great motivational tip that you can lose your weight. You can make more money. You can drop the stress in your life. But the steps to take to those are not hard, but they take a little bit of time every day. And sometimes it takes just enough to quiet your brain. Stop talking. Shut up. Listen. Think about what is coming out of your mouth before, I call it, you throw up on yourself or anybody else. Don't throw up on yourself by just needing to speak or needing to be the one that's in charge or needing to have that last say. None of that matters in life. None of that means anything if you don't have the desires and the positivity and the belief system to lose your weight or to get where you want to be or to have that home or to have a great relationship with your family members or your husband. All of those are in our thought processes, and they are so important. And if I could say, for the first step, it would be to quiet your brain and to write down thoughts that come to your mind. Have yourself sit. Maybe if it's a beautiful day, go outside and look up at the sky and don't talk. Just listen. And if you are having a thought process that has really been bothering you and you've had a tough time changing that because you don't know how to change it, kind of in your thought process, kind of tell yourself what the challenge is, and then shut up and listen. And these answers, if you pay attention, will come to you. And write these down. If they come to you, write them down and continue with your thought processes in these positive beliefs and thoughts that do come to you in silence. And you will see a shift in what you desire. I am dedicating this video to a loved friend that I have enjoyed and been with and spent many, many years, our families raising children together. She passed this last week, and she will be dearly missed. I love her. This is all for her. She is always going to be in my heart. And I feel like sometimes, even challenges like this, you still can accomplish what you desire if you continue on and just tell yourself you are important. No more excuses. You can get anything in life that you want, but you have to find out what it is that you so desire. And you have to take the steps. And step one is shut up and listen. Listen in silence and get the answers from the silence. And it will come to you, I promise. It may take some time to practice this. We are busy people. We have a hard time. We have stress. We have children. We have noise. We have no time. All of those are excuses. Make 5 minutes sometime in your day. Whether it's just at lunchtime, sit in your car in silence and listen, and you will get the answers, I promise. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I wanted to give a shout out. I am down 20 pounds. I had a struggle this last week, losing a loved one and being rushed and mentally not preparing foods. But that does not matter. That is not stopping my journey. It's not how fast you get there. It's learning what you desire and continuing on until you see the end result. Bye for now, guys. I love each and every one of you. If you're not a subscriber, please do. If you haven't clicked that bell above, hit the bell. Never miss one of my videos. Stay positive and just take that first step and get what you desire. Bye, everybody, for now. Till next time.